With the powerful reassertion of confidence, the government has been working on several fronts to touch the lives of its people. One such vibrant example is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the occasion that has envisioned India of tomorrow. The India which will merge the best of tradition with the most modern and global outlook. As a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is set to celebrate Iconic Week from 23rd to 29th of August. The Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Anurag Thakur, will start the grand celebration that will attract participation from across the country under the overall spirit of Jan Bhagidari and Jan Andolan. Let's get to know more about this special event. The Iconic Week has been launched to showcase the journey of New India and celebrate the contribution of freedom fighters, including the unsung heroes of the freedom struggle, through massive outreach activities. This enthusiastic celebration will offer 360-degree outreach through traditional means such as cultural programs, Nukkad Natak, TV programs, as well as innovative means of digital or social media. Through collaborative efforts of the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, All India Radio's daily capsule Azadi Ka Safar Akashvani Ke Saath will be reaching schools and colleges across India. Moreover, a series of special programs will be launched by All India Radio Network, which includes Dharohar, speeches of freedom leaders, Nishan, showcasing 75 landmark sites, and Aprajita, our women leaders. Apart from ongoing daily special news capsules on unsung heroes and freedom struggle, DD Network will be broadcasting sectoral programs under Naya Bharat Ka Naya Safar and the Journey of New India, covering themes such as diplomacy, digital India, and legislative reforms. Iconic Week celebration also has a special feature, that is screening of iconic films. DD Network will showcase a series of documentaries such as Netaji and Merger of Princely States. Further, popular Indian films such as Razi will also be telecast during the Iconic Week. On this occasion, NFDC is also organizing a film festival on its over-the-top platform, screening a specially curated bouquet of films such as Island City and Crossing Bridges. NFDC is also organizing an online interactive session for film students and enthusiasts. This is not it, as a webinar on technological advancements in filmmaking will be conducted by the Films Division. It will also add to the fervor through a series of other online film festivals such as India 75 Voyage of Progress and India 75 Icons of India. Films Division will be conducting these programs from 23rd to 25th August and 26th to 28th August 2021. Also, the Directorate of Film Festivals will be collaborating with the Ministry of External Affairs to screen films at various embassies of other countries in India. National Film Archive of India will mesmerize patrons through a live virtual film poster exhibition on classic cinema, which will be held on NFAI website from 23rd to 29th August. Adding zeal to the occasion, the Bureau of Outreach and Communication will be organizing Nukkad Natak, skit, magic shows, puppetry, and folk recitals. It will reach out to people through more than 50 integrated communication and outreach programs by regional outreach bureaus and more than 1,000 private registered groups by song and drama division across the country. For the ones who have an interest in reading, BOC will launch an e-book on making of the Constitution, which will be available on its website. Enthusiastic readers can also find informative and exciting books on related themes and publication division book galleries across India. This Iconic Week will truly depict the convergence of the values and the glories of the freedom struggle of the past with the aspirations and dreams of a young, new and iconic India. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.